The 2025 Ford Shelby F-150 is here, and it's nothing short of a powerhouse. Built for those who crave both speed and strength, this supercharged truck pushes the boundaries of what an F-150 can do. Ford and Shelby have teamed up once again to create a high-performance beast that combines raw horsepower with aggressive styling and cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, the Shelby F-150 boasts a 5.0-liter V8 engine that, with the optional supercharger upgrade, cranks out a staggering 775 horsepower. That means this truck isn't just built for hauling, it's built for dominating the road. Whether you're hitting the highway or tackling rugged off-road terrain, the Shelby F-150 delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience. Visually, the 2025 Shelby F-150 is an absolute head-turner. It features a bold front grille with the signature Shelby badging, an aggressive hood scoop, and functional air vents that help keep the engine cool under extreme performance. The wide fender flares give it a muscular stance, while the custom Shelby wheels wrapped in high-performance all-terrain tires ensure maximum grip and stability. The truck sits on a performance-tuned suspension designed to handle high speeds and rough trails with ease. Plus, with a performance exhaust system, this beast has a deep, throaty growl that announces its presence long before you see it. Inside, the Shelby F-150 is just as impressive. Premium leather seats with Shelby embroidery, carbon fiber accents, and a fully digital dashboard make this truck feel as luxurious as it is powerful. The state-of-the-art infotainment system includes a massive touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium audio system for an immersive experience. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring off-road, the Shelby F-150 ensures you do it in comfort and style. When it comes to capability, this truck is built to perform. The upgraded Fox shocks and lifted suspension provide excellent off-road performance, allowing you to tackle rough terrain with confidence. It also boasts impressive towing capacity, making it not just a performance machine but a practical workhorse as well. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring you stay in control no matter the conditions. The 2025 Ford Shelby F-150 is more than just a truck. It's a statement. It's built for those who want power, performance, and exclusivity all wrapped into one rugged yet refined package. With limited production, getting your hands on one won't be easy, but for those lucky enough to own it, the Shelby F-150 promises an unmatched driving experience. So, what do you think about this high-performance monster? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible car content. Stay tuned to Car Vibes for your next dose of automotive excitement.